They told you failure meant you weren't good enough. That if you didn't fit in, if you didn't win their approval, if you didn't follow the blueprint, you were the problem. But what if I told you, you didn't fail? You were programmed to forget, to shrink, to doubt your own reflection. From the moment you could walk, you were taught to chase gold stars and silent approval. Not freedom, not truth, not your own fire. They trained you to feel guilty for thinking different, to apologize for being intense, to abandon your instincts in exchange for validation. That's not failure, that's control. And now, you're remembering not just what they did, but who you were before they got to you. That kid who didn't flinch when the world stared. That soul who asked too many questions. That fire they tried to label as rebellion, or rudeness, or being too much. You weren't too much. They were too small. And now that you're waking up, they'll say you've changed. They'll call you distant, cold, arrogant. But you're not cold. You're clear. You're not angry. You're done apologizing. You don't want attention. You want alignment. And here's the truth they never wanted you to realize. You were never broken. You were buried beneath shame, beneath fear, beneath a system that taught you how to obey, not how to awaken. But now the mask is slipping. Now your silence has weight. Your presence causes tension. Your absence leaves a void. Because you're no longer playing their game. You stopped pretending. You stopped chasing. You stopped folding to be invited into rooms you were born to burn down. And yes, it's lonely, because the herd fears the one who walks away. But you're not the same. You remember now. The wild, the truth, the predator. So let them call you crazy. Let them say you failed. Because the only thing you really failed at was becoming the version of yourself they wanted. And thank the fire for that. Like this, if you've ever felt broken by design. Comment, I remember now, if you're done forgetting who you are. Share it with someone who thinks they're the problem when they're really the cure. Read The Wolf, How to Awaken the Predator Within. Not just a book, a rebirth. You were never broken. You were just asleep. Now you're awake. You are the wolf.